Hi friends, welcome to our beautiful, sunny meadow. It's such a perfect day to play outside. I'm Lila, and I feel absolutely wonderful today. The sun is warm, and I have so much energy to hop. Wait a second, my nose is starting to feel a bit funny. It's all tingly and twitchy. Oh no, Oochoo. Wow, that was a massive sneeze. Look at all the flowers shaking around me. That was powerful. Oh dear, the poor butterfly is spinning like a top. I'm so sorry, little friend. I didn't mean to. Butterfly, waha, what was that? Lila, just my sneeze. I don't know what's happening to me. I tried to say sorry, but my nose is twitching again. Here it comes. Achoo. Oh my goodness, my ears are flying. I'm actually lifting off the ground. Look at me go. This is the silliest thing ever. B-O-ing. B-O-ing. Look who's here to join the fun. It's Froggy. He looks very excited to see my flying ears. Froggy, do it again. Do it again. Lila knew. I can't stop it. It's like my nose has a mind of its own. Achoo! Achoo! It's a sneezing marathon. Everything is flying everywhere. It's getting really messy and very, very silly. Leaves are spinning in circles. Mud is splashing. I can't stop sneezing. Froggy thinks this is the best show ever. Good. Okay. Let's take a second to breathe. The meadow is quiet now. I need to try to stay very calm. Maybe a big breath will fix it. Let's try together. Inhale and exhale. Just like a calm, gentle breeze. One more time. Nice and slow. My nose feels better already. Let's see if this stops the chaotic sneezing for good. Oochoo. Oh, look at that. It was just a tiny little sneeze. And look, magic sparkles are coming out. It worked. I feel so much better. No more flying ears or muddy frogs. Just beautiful sparkles in the air. Even silly problems can turn into a fun adventure. Froggy and I had such a laugh today, didn't we? Froggy, best day ever. I think I agree. Froggy, it's always a good day when you're with your friends. Have you ever had a funny or silly day like mine? Tell me all about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time for more Meadow Magic. Bye-bye for now.